Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word 3 and 3B Simulation Training. So open the Word 3 and 3B Simulation Training. So if you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, rating and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So start the Word 3 and 3B simulation training. So click the launch and open the Word 3 and 3B simulation training. So open the Word 3 and 3B simulation training. Total questions 24. Press Ctrl A to select the entire documents on the home tabs in the paragraph groups. Click the line and paragraph spacing and then click the 2.0. From the layout tabs in the paragraph groups, click the spacing after seconds box arrow 2 times and set the spacing after 20 points. So select the all documents and go to the home tabs in the paragraph groups and click the line and spacing paragraph and click the 2.0. From the layout tabs in the paragraph groups, from the layout tabs in the paragraph group, click the spacing after 2 times. So click the spacing after 2 times, 0, and next is press Ctrl Home to move to the end of the top of the documents and then press Enter on the home tab and then click in the new blank paragraph, type the grade Foster's and press Enter and type the Dr. Henry Gibbs and then press Enter biometrically research and 6170 and press Enter to the February 15th and 2024 and press Enter. So go to the home tabs and press Enter. So type the select the so question number 2 is on the insert tabs in the header and footer groups, click the headers and then click the edit the headers and type the footers and press spacebar 1 times and on the header and footers group and click the page numbers point to current the position and then under the symbols and click plain numbers. So go to the insert tabs and go to the header and footer groups and click the headers and click the edit the headers and type the Foster and press spacebars on the header and footer tabs header and footer groups and click the page numbers and click the current positions and then simple planes number 1 and simple plane number 1, so click OK. And next is on the home tabs paragraph groups and click the align rights and double clicks anywhere in the documents and close the documents. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the align rights and double click the anywhere. Next is beginning with the paragraph many of us and select the all report text with the text selected in the paragraph groups. Click the dialog box launch buttons on the indents and spacing indentations. Click the spaces. Select the reports with the selected paragraph dialog box. Launcher buttons on the indents, spacing, under indentation. Click the special arrow and click the first lines. In the buy box, be sure 0.5 display and then click OK. So many of us many of us select the all text reports with the text selected. So select the all text and paragraph groups. So go to counters and go to the paragraph groups. With the text selected, paragraph group and dialog box on the indent spacing. So select the all text. Many of us. So select the all text and go to the home tabs. So select the all text on the many of us and go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups. So select the all text. Many of us and go to the tabs and go to the paragraph groups and with the selected paragraph groups click the dialog box launcher box on the indents and spacing the click the dialog box on the indents spacing tabs indentation and special arrow and click the first line indents on the first line in the by the 0.5 display and then click OK and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. So question number 3 is on the paragraph 2 in the third line of the paragraph begin accurate records and click the period after the infancy and reference tab and insert the footnotes groups and click the insert the footnotes and type the titles. So on the page 2, so go to the page 2 and on the page 2 in the third line of the paragraph, the third line of the paragraph, the third line of the paragraph and the accurate records right of the period after the efficiency, right of the period of the efficiency. Accurate records and select the infancy is the afters and go to the reference tabs and go to the footnotes groups and click the insert the footnotes. And next is type the USA, the US Department of Health and Human Services. Human Services indicate TS indicates that the virus spread. Use of health information information technology will approve technology will approve the quantity of healthcare and next is on the page 1 and the end of the documents begins. Many of us click the right period after the insert the footnote with the text on the page ones and many of us and click the many of us and right of the period after the times and click the insert the footnotes and type organization such as airline and the military. Military code benefit. Because many employees are involved time sensitive operations and at the periods. Be sure to the periods including organizations such as the airlines and the military and good benefit and because many employees EM are involved questions. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is at the bottom of the page once and point to the footnotes text, right click and click the styles. In the style box, click the modify style dialog box, change the font size to 11 and click the paragraph and then indentation and spacing tabs. Under the indentations, click the special arrow in the first lines and click the line and spacing arrow and click the doubles and click OK 2 times, click apply. On the page once and point to the right and select the right clicks and click the styles. So open the style dialog box and click the modify and on the indentation and spacings on the indentation and spacing indentations and click the special arrow in the first lines formats and click the paragraph, click the styles and click the modify and modify style dialog box, change the font size to 11 and click the format buttons and click the paragraph. So open the paragraph box and indents and spacing tabs under the indentations. Indents and the spacing tabs indentation special arrow in the first lines, and under the spacing click the line and spacings arrow and click the double lines and click OK. So click the double lines, click OK and again OK. Click the apply. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is on the reference tab in the stations and bibliographic groups and click the style buttons arrow and click the MLA and click the MLA, and next is on the page 2 accurate records at the end of the paragraph click the right question marks following the period and click the insert the situations and click the add new source books and selected its type of source, and on the page 2 paragraph and accurate the records and end the paragraph click the rights of the periods and accurate records and the period of accurate record end of the paragraph and click the right question marks periods and click the insert the citation. So go to the citation in bibliography and click the add a new source box and type of source and select the books and type of source author is to Sport Eric and title is the creative destruction. Destruction of medicine, and here is 2012, and next is create the source box and city is New York, and publisher is to basic books and medium is to print and click OK. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on the page 2 click the support stations and then click the station option arrow and click the added citation in the page paragraph to 5 and click the added the citations and paragraph 5 and click OK. Delete the period of the left question marks. And insert the period of the following situation. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is on the page 2 in the paragraph beacon Dr. have long merged and click to position the insertion points left period of the following word states and click the insert the situation on the paragraph 2 and Dr. have long on the page 2 Dr. have long urged and click the position insertion point left period of following the word states and click the insert the situations and a new source websites to author is the audience and name of the web is to NCHS and data brief number of 82. So go to the session points and click the add a resource page 2 on the click the insertion points left of the periods and the word states and click the insert the situations and click the add the new source, add a new sources and website is to so select the websites and author is to open Ogden's and next is name of web page and CHS data brief number 82 and next is in the creates source dialog box continue to the entering the source information and year is 2012 and month is to January and day is to 15th and next is create the source dialog box complete the source information the year exists to 2024 and month exists to the January and day exists to the 17th and click OK. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is the beacon the bibliography on the new page position the insertion point at the end of the documents control enters and insert the page breaks. So in the bibliography begins the on the new web pages insert the end of the documents. So insert the end of the documents. Insert the end of the documents on the new page insertion and the end of the documents and press Ctrl Enters. With the insertion points in the blank paragraph on the new blank page on the home tabs and click the dialog box paragraph dialog box on indent and spacing under the indentation spatial arrow and click the none. On the blank paragraph new blank page go to the home tabs and paragraph groups and dialog box in the paragraph dialog box on the indent and spacing under the indentation special arrow click the none and click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is with the insertion point blinking first paragraph 4 on the reference tab and situation bibliography groups click the bibliography and then near the bottom of the list and click the word credits. So go to the reference tabs and go to the station and bibliography and click the work credits. So select the paragraph on the work credits on the home tabs and font groups and change the fonts Canberry and then change the font size to 11. Click the font arrow and in the second column click the first colors. So select the work credits on the home tabs and font groups and click the change fonts to the Canberry and font size to 11 and font color arrow to the second column first color, second column first colors and work credits get selected and paragraph click the centers. So word with the text work credit selected paragraph groups and click the dialog box button in the paragraph groups and spacing before to 0 points. Change the spacing after to 0 points and line spacing to doubles. And click the paragraph spacing before 0 and change the spacing after to 0 and line spacings to doubles and click OK. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is on the reference tab, situation bibliography, manage source on the left, master list and click the entry to supports and click the edit and edit the source dialog box, author box, S and delete type D, click OK, the message click yes, updates both the list and click OK. And situation and click the manage source reference and click the manage source on the left is to on the left master list and click the edits and edit the source dialog box, author box and select the S to click J and edit the author to S to type T and click OK and click the yes and click below. Next is scroll view page 2 on the selected situation 2 and click the situations arrow and then update the situation bibliography work credits page. Edit the situations. On the page 2 and station and click the station option arrow and click the update the station and bibliography. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is on the view tab in the show groups and select the navigation pane checkbox in the navigation panes. Click the search arrow and then click go to in the find and replace dialog box on the go to tabs in the enter page number box type 4 and click go to close the all open dialog box and click go. So go to the view tabs and go to the show groups and select the navigations and select the navigation panes checkbox on the navigation panes and search box to go to search arrow go to and find and replace dialog box and go to tabs enter type 4 and click go to and click the close all and close the navigation box. So question number 11 is complete. To go to the question number 12. So question number 12 is click the file tab to display the backstage view. On the left click info tabs and then in the lower right corner of the selection and click the show all properties. So go to the file tabs and backstage and click the info tabs, the lower right corner and select the show all properties and document title is, so select the document titles is quantifies self movement gains and momentum. And next is as a document tags So select the dialog box and type the quantify. Quantify self and search. Search paper. And next is comment box. So select the comment box and type the draft copy of report for classes. And next is category box types automatically. Research. And next is company boxes, university medical centers. University medical center. And next is manager box type. So select the manager box. Manager box doctors Henry Kim. And click OK. So question number 12 is complete. We move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is select the first two paragraph newsletters and titles, volume information and dates. Paragraph marks following dates on the mini toolbars or from the ribbons. Click font color arrow button and under the theme colors in the fifth column last colors. So select the first two paragraph. It's the newsletters. So select the newsletters title, volume information. Title is volume informations and dates and including the marks dates on the menu toolbars and click the font color buttons. Color button is the fifth column last color. Fifth column last colors. So select the first two lines and volume informations. Go to the dates and paragraph and mini bars and click the font color arrow button and under the fifth column last color. Fifth column last colors. And next is with the newsletter title, volume information and dates in selected dates, home tabs, paragraph groups and click the border buttons arrows and click the border and shading on the borders and tab color arrow to the fifth colors in the last colors and click the border tabs color arrow in the fifth column, click the last color and click the with arrow. It's repeating. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the border and shadings. So border and shadings and click the arrow color arrow is the fifth column last color. Fifth column last colors. Fifth column is the last color and click the with arrow is 3pt. With arrow is 3pt and print preview box and click the bottom borders and click OK. Next is click the beginning of the paragraph university medical centers and scroll the viewers documents or shift and click the after paragraph marks and basic electronic medical record with the text selected from the layout view and click the columns and click the column to column. So click the beginning of the paragraph, university, medical, centered and scroll down. Document shift the click in the paragraph marks the electronics medical records. So select the electronic medical records. And go to the new tabs and go to the columns and click the two column. So select the paragraph and go to the layout tabs and go to the column groups and click the two column. So question number 13 is complete. To move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is with the text two columns selected on the layout tabs, paragraph groups and click the spacing after sequence one time and change the after spacing to 6 points. Change the after spacing to 6 points. With the text format two columns still selected to the home tabs in the paragraph groups and click the justify. Justify. So question number 14 is complete. We move to question number 15. So question number 15 is near the bottom of the first column, click the beginning lines, harvestings and the layout tabs and click the breaks under the page breaks. And near the harvesting this on the layout tabs, layout tab and page setup groups and page setup groups and click the breaks and page break. The page breaks and click the column. So question number 15 is complete. We move to the question number 16. So question number 16 is control and to the move to the end of the documents. Insert tabs and illustration groups. Click the picture and then click the device from the insert the picture dialog box and file 3p symbol and click insert the image to the insertion point. So insert the pictures end of the documents. So end of the documents and go to the insert tabs. Go to the illustration groups and click the pictures from this device to the pictures and click the inserts. And next is with the image selected picture format and size groups and click the height box, shape height box 0.5 and press enter. With the pictures format tabs, arrange groups and click the wrap text and then click squares. Picture format tabs and arrange groups and click the wrap text to square. Wrap text to square. In the arrange group, click the positions, more layout options in the layout dialog box, position tabs under the horizontally and click the alignment option button to the right alignments. Click in the arrows and click the centers and so go to the pictures and click the more layout options and in the layout dialog box position tabs and under the horizontally alignments options and to the right of the alignments and arrow the centers and click the relative to the page. Relative to page. Under the vertically click alignments and click the alignments to the bottom and relative to the margins. Click OK. So question number 16 is complete. We move to the question number 17. So question number 17 is at the top of the document select the recycle bin pictures and pictures size groups and crop the button point to the center of handles and left mouse drag to the 5-inch horizontal and release the mouse button, click anywhere document outside of the and then apply the crops. So click the crop the pictures and 5-inch. So select the pictures and go to the picture format tab. So click the crop and crop the picture to 5 inches and click the crop. Click or select the recycle bin pictures on the picture format tab, size groups and click the size dialog box, layout tabs and size tabs. Scale be showed the log aspect to relative to the original picture size and checkbox are selected is under the select percentage numbers in the hertz box type tens and then press tab button, click the text wrapping tab under the wrapping styles. So select the pictures and go to the picture format tabs, go to the size groups and the dialog box and layout dialog box, size tabs under the scales the be shown to the log relative to the and relatives to original picture size box and select the scale, select the percentage numbers height. So select the percentage height numbers to type the 10 and press tab buttons and next is click the tab text wrapping tabs and under the wrapping styles click the squares, click OK. So next is go to the position tabs and under the vertically click the alignments and click the alignments and click the top and then relative to the margins, click OK. So question number 17 is complete. We move to the question number 18. So question number 18 is with the recycle bins picture selected on the picture format tabs in the adjust groups, click the color and then below the gallery and set the transparent color point anywhere in the blank backgrounds to the pictures and click drag the transparent color to the background. So select the recycle bin pictures and go to the picture format tabs and adjust groups and click the colors below the gallery and set the transparent color anywhere black background pictures and click the transparent color backgrounds, set the transparent colors and anywhere black backgrounds and control end of the documents click the second pictures on the picture format tab, adjust groups and click the color arrow, picture format tabs and click the color arrow, adjust groups, circle and click the pictures format and colors and under the recolor blue accent color one light, blue accent color light. So select the picture to the picture format tabs and click the color to blue accent one. So question number 18 is complete. We move to the question number 19. So question number 19 is with the recycled samples Selected it picture format tab in the adjust group, click the corrections and under the brightness contrast use the screen tips to locate and then click the setting brightness is -14 constant plus 15, 14. So select the picture format tabs and adjust groups and click the corrections. Under the brightness contrast screen tips and click the settings brightness 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 -40% to 40%. Click OK. So question number 19 is complete. We move to the question number 20. So question number 20 is on the home tab and click the recycle pictures picture format tabs and picture borders buttons arrows and under the theme color to the fourth column click the first color. So go to the picture format tabs and click the picture border arrow the fourth column first color. Click OK and next is click the picture borders button again and point to the weights. Click the 1 by 1 2 and change the thickness to the borders. And click the picture border buttons again and click the weight is 1 by 1 2 and the picture format tabs arrange groups and click the rotate objective and click the rotate objects to the flip horizontally. So question number 20 is complete. We move to the question number 21. So question number 21 is click to select the screen clipping websites and click the picture format tabs, picture style groups and picture border then theme color is the second color first color. So select the pictures and go to the picture format tabs. In the picture border is theme color second color first colors. So question number 21 is complete. We move to question number 22. So question number 22 is in the first column under the screen clipping, select the subheading recycles, trash and paragraph right selections and then shortcut menu click the fonts under the effect and small caps font effects under the font style bolds and click the font error fifth column, click the last column. So select the recycle bins and right clicks and click the fonts under the font dialog box effects and select the small caps. Under the font style click the bolds and font color the fifth column last color. Fifth column is the last color. Last color and click OK. Next is recycle trash subheading. Select the layout tabs in the paragraph groups and click the befores after spacing 2 times to spacing 12 points. Go to the layout tabs and in the paragraph groups and click the before. Before spacing is 12. So question number 22 is complete. We move to the question number 23. So question number 23 is press Ctrl and to the move end of the documents, delete the comma and space, name to the lay and job to the facility directors. The ends and select the comma and create the comma, and then space that separates name is and job the title to the facility directors. So move to the end of the documents, and select the comma and deletes. And next is with the insertion point position F in facilities on the insert tabs in the sample groups and click the sample, click the more samples, the special character tabs, and then EM dash, click the inserts and close the sample dialog box. So go to the insert tabs and go to the sample groups and click the more samples, click the more samples and click the special characters, and then click the EM dash and click inserts and click the below. So question number 23 is complete. We move to question number 24. So 24, question number 24 is select the paragraph text to the begin with the everything we can do. So select the everything we can do and recycle pictures on the home tabs paragraph groups and everything to and recycle pictures. Go to the home tabs and click the border button and border and shadings. Select the paragraph and go to the home tabs. Then click the border button arrow. So click the border button arrow, click the border and shadings, and click the border and shadings, and click the borders and click the shadows and click the color arrow, and then fifth column last color, last color and click the width arrows, click OK, click the width arrows, click once and click the shading tabs and click the fill arrow in the fifth column, second color, the second colors and click OK. Next is with the shared paragraph is selected its home tab paragraph group and click the centers and delete the space in the fonts E in the name Emily, E is the space is Emily, and next is with the insertion points before the E, Emily press shift enters and insert the menu frame. So submit the assignment and check the scores. Part 3 and 3B simulation training is current score is 95.83%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, fine arts, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.